Welcome to another Castelo construction project. In this project, we worked with a former client from Taiwan who wanted a double-story extension on his home here in central Portugal. Again, we faced the challenge of creating the most optimal design possible from the space available. We happily rose to the challenge and designed an extension which featured an office and library on the lower level with a master bedroom, a second double bedroom, and a spacious luxury bathroom on the upper level. With design and quotation accepted, our first task was to demolish the existing barns to make way for the extension. At the same time, we created foundation support to ensure the main building would be unaffected. For those interested in the technical aspect, pillar and beam construction on cast footings with brick curtain walls was the preferred method of construction, with the first floor constructed using block and beam. Interior divisions were in brick and plasterboard, with insulation and soundproofing as required. Attractive features of the design included a pine roof and a pine staircase leading into a stylish open space which enjoys natural light due to the full glass patio doors and windows. Where there was no natural light, such as the hallway, we used light tubes to create the same effect. The master bedroom benefited from a feature roof and panoramic windows, providing stunning views. All in all, a very successful project, and the client was delighted.